Hello everyone, you are welcome to Geneseo channel. In this video I will be unveiling to you the magic of AI taking video. Sit tight and watch till the end to get all the details because this is a full tutorial. Don't forget to like this video.
Welcome back. I will be dropping the link to get here. So you check my comment section, or you check description area. You'll be seeing the link. Just click on the link, it will come over here. Once it comes here, the next thing you do as a new person is to sign up. You see the sign up icon here. You just quickly sign up. Click on the sign up button. You sign up. So you have two areas how you can sign up. You can sign up either with your Google or you sign up either with your Facebook. I would advise you sign up with your Google if you have a Gmail account. So let's quickly sign up with our Google account. So you pick any one of your choice, just click confirm. Very good. So it's loading. Allow it to load. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, go ahead and do so. So what you just need to do, you're going to fill in all this thing, your email, your password, verification code, then you get the code, then you sign up to make sure everything is complete. So let's go ahead. I'll just click, do that immediately. So you see something like this, it has been sent. Go to your Gmail account to find the verification code. So you can see my Gmail account is there. They've sent me the code. All I will just do is to do what? Go ahead and open it to see the code. Copy the code. Go and paste it. So once it comes up, you'll see this. Welcome. So which of the following best describes you? So it depends on you right now. If you're going to be using this talking AI for corporates, for small or medium business, for startup, for trainer, for teacher, it depends on you. Actually, I'll be clicking on medium and small business because it's for my business. Click on it. Allow it to load. Click continue. Then they'll ask you again, what type of business are you involved in? Advertising, e-commerce. Just click on anything. I'll just click on online services. Continue. You still go ahead. What kind of content do you create or plan to create? Social media. I'll just click on social media content. Yeah, depends on you though. Any plan in mind for today. So alright guys, simple and beautiful. So if you've not liked this video, go ahead and do so. Like this video. Next video I'll be showing you how to create your AI talking videos using your own face. You don't need all these people, you understand me? You don't need their own faces. You'll be using your own face to create it. Alright, the last one I did, I used the other ones. Where is the other lady? Yes, I used her. Look at the person I used here. I used her own face with my own video, my own voice. All right. So let me see if I'll use another person. Which one do you think? I want someone dark now to show African vibes. You understand me? Show African vibes. Oh, all right. Let me just use, I think, this one. Yes, this is showing African vibes. Now let's see. It's loading. So first of all, you need to write your own so if you need to write, you can also, okay, look at what I did here. If you also want the AI talking video to be showing what you are saying, you just turn on your with subtitle. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see. Okay, it's part of the upgrade version, so you need to add an audio. You can also add the audio by your own. Okay, you need AI voiceover. Actually, the first one I did a record. All right, so I just use my own voice. So now let me use AI voiceover. You can also use audio file. all right, audio file. You can also use video file. So let me just use AI voiceover. So you will see different voiceover. So what you do is to type in what exactly you want, all right. Type in what exactly you want, AI script you want. Then you now select the language, the speed, the gender, voice, and all that. So let me just say something. Hello everyone, you are welcome to Geneseo channel. I will be unveiling to you the magic of AI, using AI talking video. Sit tight and watch this video till the end to get all the details, because this is a full tutorial. So let me just stop here. Then what do? You really want to check your speed. As you can see, you can pick your speed, you can pick your pitch, you can even change the person. So let's see, you pick your pitch, your speed. The speed is the one you have different, you see. We don't want it to be too fast, you get that, so that people can hear what you're saying. Then language, you pick your language. We have different languages. Actually, I'll be picking English. That's what I want. You click on English, then we've picked language. Then you go to quality. Accent is another one. Good. Accent. What kind of accent do you want? Is it American English, British? Let me just pick British English. You can even pick Nigeria English. Let's see if we'll see that. Let's see if we'll see Nigeria English. Okay. Then here you select everything to get what you want. All right. Click on quality. Let's just leave it there. Then look at people they are now showing you. And one thing I love about this AI, you can preview. That is to see what you want to get before you now upload. All right. So let's quickly go to hello everyone. You're welcome to Geneseo's channel. I will unveil in this video. I will unveil to you. I will be unveiling to you. You can put anything you want to. I'm just saying this is just like an example. Unveiling to you the magic of AI talking video. Sit tight and watch to the end to get all the details, because this is a full tutorial. Don't forget to like this video. This video, you see that? So you can only type 500 words. So actually so now you'll be doing your preview. Check if it's a lady's voice you want, a baby's voice, a lady's voice, a guy voice. Let's see this. Let's pick someone's voice. Let's pick this Ivy. Let's see. Let's put the preview. Let's see. You click on the preview, then you hear before you now generate.
Be unveiling to you the magic of AI taking video. Sit tight and watch till the end to get all the details, because this is a full tutorial. Don't forget to like this video.
So this preview is from Ivy. So you listen to the voice. If you like it, generate and upload. Let me listen to this first one. Is it Gamma? let's listen. Let me click on, after you click on the person you want, click on preview, then you hear how the voice looks like.
Hello.
Okay, click on it. Let's hear how the voice looks like. Click on preview to help you select what exactly you want. In case you don't like the first one, go to the next, like that.
Hello everyone, you are welcome to Geneseo channel. In this video I will be unveiling to you the magic of AI taking video. Sit tight and watch till the end to get all the details because this is a full tutorial. Don't forget to like this video.
Let me go to Ava Prince, I guess as preview. Let's see. Let's hear. I just want to pick someone that I love the voice.
Hello everyone, you are welcome to Geneseo channel. In this video I will be unveiling to you the magic of AI taking video. Sit tight and watch till the end to get all the details because this is a full tutorial. Don't forget to like this video.
Okay, I guess I prefer this person. So click on generate and upload. Without wasting much time, let's click on generate and upload. It's generating. So when you generate and upload, the next thing you need to do now is to save it. Good. So it's here. Okay, so now you've picked the person's voice. Now click on your with subtitle. Okay, that one is part of. Now click on make talking video now to generate everything, because we've picked this person. That one was to pick just the voice. All right, so now we're making now the talking photo. Yes, that's the video now. Let's watch how it works. It's processing. These are my work. Let me just cut it here so we don't. All right guys, as you can see, it's ready. Once it's ready, then you're free to download. All right, let me just, you click on, look at when you want to download. This is your download button here. You click on download. All right, click on download. You can download the photo. Let me download the photo first, because I've used the photo to advertise. You understand me? Ooh. Wow, it's downloading. Okay. So one beautiful thing, you can download the photo, you can download the video. Now let me go ahead and download the video itself. Good. It's downloading. So it's so beautiful. If you not like this video, like the next video, I'll be telling you how to create AI talking video using your own face. All right, using your own face. Super amazing. All right guys, thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe. All right, bye.